Salt generator raises pH, add acid to lower pH. Hello, thanks in advance for your expertise. Per the webpage, saltwater effects on pH and alkalinity, we talk about how pH and alkalinity will rise, causing scaling if it gets too high. To avoid scaling issues, the advice was to wash the generator cell with an acid wash a couple of times per season on top of regular maintenance to keep the pool running smoothly. So I guess the follow-up question in here is simply keeping the generator cell will not maintain the water pH, is that correct? So we talk about removing scaling off the cell, but could you explain in addition what needs to be done to control the alkalinity and pH in the water itself?
It's just using minus. So
How often?
Using basically muriatic acid, and it's just a matter of testing your water chemistry. I mean, at least once a week. It really depends on how often your salt cell is running. If it's running at like 10%, you're probably not going to notice as much of a rise. If it's running at 100%, then you might be adding acid every week. It all depends. Yeah, it's just like anything else, just keeping your water chemistry in check. It's just a matter of realize that when you choose to use salt, you're going to find yourself adding pH minus or muriatic acid more often than if you didn't. Just like if you use tablets, that's got like a pH of 3, where if you're using a ton of tablets, it's going to plummet your pH, so you're going to be using your pH increaser a lot more often. So it's just a matter of keeping your water chemistry in check.